Just read the data. Method to construct Archimedean spiral. There are two kinds of spiral as discussed in the syllabus: Archimedean spiral and logarithmic spiral. So we have discussed both the method here. We just read the data very carefully. Construct the Archimedean spiral of two revolutions. The largest radius is 100 mm and the smallest radius is 20 mm. Draw the tangent and normal to the spiral at any point on it. Okay? क्या करना है? हमें स्पाइरल ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, कैसे करेंगे? टेक take O as the center and OS is the radius, which is equal to 20 mm as given in the data, and draw the circle. Same way, OL is also radius, which is 100 mm, and draw the circle. Okay, दो circle आपको draw करना है. Already the dimension given to you. Concentric circle draw करना है. So circle center दोनों के same ही आएंगे. 20 mm and 100 mm. OS and OL. Divide the outer circle. Divide the outer circle into 8 number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, divide this pie. So bigger circle, or we can say outer circle, in 8 number of parts. Now there is one length that is S to L. The SL length between smallest and largest radius into same number of parts, say equal parts. Okay, say you have to remember one thing, that here 2 revolution is given to you. Means agar if it may mention that 1 revolution, then you may divide the distance from S to L, smallest to largest, in 8 parts. Okay, because there is 1 revolution and we already divide in 8 parts, that's why. But here 2 revolution is mentioned, so we are divide this L to S line in 16 number of parts. Every time you have to see that कि कितने revolution आपको दिए हैं. If it may be 1 revolution, then you just divide in 8 parts. And right now it may be 2 revolutions, so I divide the line. It means I think it may be 20 to 100, so 80 mm is there, and I divide in 16 parts, so each part is 5 mm. I get 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, up to 16 dash. Okay, now take center at O. Take center at O and radius is equal to O1 dash. And draw the R to get point P1 on the radial line O to 1. Okay, 1 तक ही आपको 1 वाली जो लाइन है वहां तक R ड्रॉ करनी है. सेम वे O2 dash up to 2, O8 up to 8. Now 9, maybe start from here, so we know that at 8 it may be ended, so you may mention for your point of view or for understanding of your mention 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So it may be 2 revolution. Now 9 up to 9, 10 up to 10, 12 up to 12 and 16 up to 16. Okay, so join all the points from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 15. If one revolution is there, then up to 8 is there, right? Right now it may be up to 16. So because of the 2 revolution. Okay, now draw the tangent and normal as commonly it may be asked in data. Mark M point on the curve. Draw the radius vector OM. Draw the radius vector OM by joining the point M with the pole O. Okay. Now we have to calculate one constant. For that, radius vector consider are the largest radius and the smallest radius. As we know that OL minus OS. OL is 100 mm and OS is the 20. So 80 mm is there. The difference in the length is 80 mm and the corresponding angle that here two revolutions, so 360 into 2, it may be 720 degree. And if we want to convert in radian for 2 revolution, then it may be 2 pi into 2. It means 4 pi, right? 4 pi for the 2 revolution and the angle is 720 degree. So constant is equal to, हमें जितना difference मिलता है वो means 100 minus 20, total 80 divide by total कितना revolution हुआ radian में 4 pi. Okay, so we are get that almost 6.3694, which is equal to rounded 6.5 mm. So draw that line ON. वो हमें कितनी लेनी है? Perpendicular to the radius vector OM and the length is equal to, that is 6.5, or we can already mention that 80 by 4 pi is 6.5. Join point N and M. The line MN, which is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle MON, will be the normal to the Archimedean spiral at given point M, and extend the line up to Mn, which is up to N dash. So Nn dash is the normal, and draw the perpendicular line with respect to Nn dash. It is the tangent Tt dash. So Tt dash is the tangent. I repeat one time that how we are create On dash. Initially take random point M on the circle, join with O. Now we have to find N, which we are get that how many revolution are there. Okay, and what is the difference in the length? It may be 80 mm, so 80 divided by here 2 revolutions, so कितना होगा रेडियन में 4 pi, so 80 divided by 4 pi, so that is equal to 6.39, 6.36. It may be near to 6.5, which is very easy for us. So take perpendicular, except perpendicular to OM, and that is your N, join N with M and extend that, that is your N dash. It is called as a normal, and draw the tangent with respect to the point M. That is your tangent. Now, next one, very important for spiral, logarithmic spiral. Just please read the data, so it's very clear in your mind कि आपको कैसे draw करना है. थोड़ा changes we are getting here. Hope so you get the data. Construct the logarithmic spiral of one convolution. The length of the shortest radius vector is 10 mm. The ratio of the length of successive radius vector is 9/8 or vectorial angle 30 degree. Draw tangent and normal to the spiral at any point. Okay. Okay. क्या करेंगे? Just follow the steps given as per the data. जो भी दिया है डेटा में उसी तरह से हम फॉलो करते हैं. Draw the horizontal line OB. Okay, एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो OB and inclined OA कितने डिग्री पे? From the data we are say that the degree may be 30 degree. So the angle between OA and OB is 30 degree. Okay. Now mark the point P0 on the line. Just focus here. Mark the point P0 on the line OA at distance 10 mm as discussed here, as distance 10 mm from the point O. Okay. Now mark the point PO dash. कैसे? Already it may be given in the data that the ratio of the length of successive radius vector is 9/8 for the vector angle 30 degree. Okay, so 9/8 into 10. 9/8 into 10, that is the distance of O to P0 dash. 9/8 into 10 means 11.25. So the distance from O to PO dash is 11.25. Mark PO at 10 mm and PO dash at 11.25. Now join the point P0 and PO dash. Take center at O. Radius OPO dash. Radius OPO dash means horizontal वाली, OB वाली 11.25 वाली, and arc up to OA line. Okay, so we are get 1 point. Now draw the line from point 1 which is parallel to this line. PO dash वाली लाइन के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दो आर्क में से. It is your 1 dash. So same thing you have to repeat which we are following PO dash. O is the center and O1 dash is now your radius, and it may be get the point 2. Now from 2 draw the parallel line up to 2 dash. Once again O2 dash is the radius and arc here, so you are getting 3. So up to getting 12 you have to follow same process. Okay, repeat step for 3, 4, 5 up to 12 on line OE. The length O21, O22, O23 and up to O212 is the required length of consecutive radius vector. Now we are able to construct the logarithmic spiral. अब क्या करना है? अब we proceed for the spiral. Draw the horizontal line OC. Draw the horizontal line OC on of the length equal to length O12, equal to length, हमें जो लाइन यहाँ पे मिली है O से 12 तक की, वो लाइन क्लिक करके यहाँ पे लेनी है. ओके, O C is equal to O12. Mark the point P0 on the line OC. Mark the point P0 on the line OC at 10 mm from the point O. ओके, यहाँ पे जिस तरह से 10 mm पे है वैसे ही हमें यहाँ रिपीट करना है 10 mm from the point O. The length OPO is equal to the length of the shortest radius vector, that is 10 mm. Mark the point P12 on the OC line. Okay, so this is our P0 point and this is the end point P12. Draw the different 11 radius vector having the angle between them equal to the vectorial angle. Here the vectorial angle is 30 as shown in the data. So each and every time you may create 11 parts with 30-degree angle. Okay, now draw the different 11 radius with 30-degree with the help of 30-60 degrees set square. Mark the point P1 to P11 on successive radius vector. P1 to P11 on successive radius vector by taking the length O1 for P1, sorry, OP1, O2, OP2, O11, O11. Okay. Join all P1, P2, P3 and P12. The curve is the required logarithmic spiral. Okay. Now, same thing after end of the curve, draw the tangent and normal to the spiral at any point. So I just follow that method. For calculation of the logarithmic spiral, you have to remember that r is equal to a raised to theta. If theta is 0, then r is equal to 0 and therefore r is equal to 1 unit. If theta 30 pi by 6, so r is equal to 9 by 8 into 1. So log 1.125 is equal to pi by 6 into log a. So we are getting log a is equal to this way. And tan alpha is equal to log I. Log a, we know that what is the value of log e. So we have to find log e. And tan alpha that we are created or we are getting that 4.4455. So alpha tan inverse of that. So it is equal to 77.32 degree. It is equal to 77.32 degree. Draw the line MT. I just share this lecture and lecture note with you, so you may just follow once again. Draw the line MT. with angle which are we are getting, that is 77.32 degree on line OM. Extend the line MT on other side of the point M to get the line as TT dash. Line TT dash is the tangent, and draw the line NN dash which is perpendicular to the line. So line NN dash is the normal to the logarithmic spiral at the given point. हमारा पहला MT का एंगल कितना आएगा 77.32. वही लाइन हमें एक्सटेंड करनी है. ओके, वही लाइन हमें एक्सटेंड करनी है. दैट इज आवर टेंजेंट. एंड आफ्टर दैट वही लाइन को, वो जो इंटरसेक्ट M पे करेगा, सो वही लाइन को M से परपेंडिकुलर लेना है. दैट इज आवर नॉर्म. ओके, सो दैट इज द end of our spiral, Archimedean spiral and logarithmic spiral. Yet you have any query, then you can ask me anytime via comment in the comment box. Okay.